Hi, welcome. Come on in. You are here at 6405. We're here on the starboard side, and we have a balcony room today. Come on over, guys. Check this out. We're gonna see a little walkthrough here. Look at how small the place is, but it is a pretty standard room on the Carnival. So we'll start off here with our closets since we're here already. Check this out. You guys see that? Pan over this way. Sir, thank you, director and cameraman. We put our stuff in already. And then we have another little closet this way with the safe and everything. We put our socks and all that jazz in there. And of course we have our little desk where I'll be doing some editing here, which is going to be fun. And we have a little couch that's right here. I think it's a pull out too, or you can sleep on this. Yeah, it's a sleeper. And you have two lampshades. You have a king size bed, which is great. And then of course the TV and vanity. Here's the little 36-inch TV. Here's a 42-inch. But the great part is, come on over with us over here to the balcony section. Check this out. Look at that, the queen, right? This is the Long Beach port. There's no one on this ship, guys. This ship is super empty. Like, I'm just shocked how empty it is right now. It probably is under 50% capacity. Hardly anyone. So check that out. That's the dome that way, and there's the Queen Mary right in front of us as we leave Long Beach into the open Pacific Ocean in a little bit here. So we have a nice little balcony. We're gonna hang out here at night, and so you'll be able to see us doing that. And here's the little recliner chairs that we have. All right, hopefully you guys didn't get dizzy there. Watch your step. Okay. Come on over. And of course we have our laboratory here in the back. A little laboratory, your standard laboratory. There it is. That's where the magic happens, right there in that toilet. So let the magic happen on that toilet, guys. The air conditioning is on, so we are good to go. I want to show you a quick surprise that we got from Carnival. Thank you very much, Carnival, for this amazing prize that we got. Check that out. There it is. We have our premiere. We're part of the premiere cruise on the Carnival Players Club, because players play. Come on, player. So we each got these tumblers, these awesome tumblers that we're gonna put our coffee in the morning. And we also got a great card from them. Every day the casino is gonna send us a little card letting us know what the games are at the casino for that day. And there is some games that are gonna be happening today, so they gave us a welcome aboard. And so they're letting us know what games are going to be happening later on this afternoon as we set sail. And of course, what we are here for, guys, are these premier VIP guests, guys, where we get to drink at the casino throughout the remainder of the cruise for the whole week for free. So guess where we are going to be at? Drinking. We're going to be smoking and drinking. Smoking and drinking, so that is cute. I'm glad that we continue to do that. So guys, thank you so much for this quick room tour for our room 6405 on the starboard side. We are headed out to Mexican Riviera here today, and so you'll be seeing some of our travel stuff on this channel. Stay tuned. See you guys later. Bye. I told you we'll be back, guys. We are here for the party. It's our sail away party, guys.
You
What's going on, guys? So we're finally sailing away out of Long Beach. Check this out. There's no more bridge. So we're headed out into the open ocean, guys, for this 7-day adventure. Thanks so much for hanging out with us on this first day, full day of videos that we've done all day long. So we will definitely be seeing you guys through this journey. We're gonna have a great time, and hope that you can enjoy the ride with us. Look at the sun beating on my face. The sun is totally beating on my face, guys. So we're headed out. You guys will take a look and see, maybe in time lapse as we go. See you guys in a bit.